Wellness check. Are your pockets okay, girl? Sales have been coming back to back to back to back. So I had to check mine and call it quits. I just finished my last order with Victoria's Secret of the year. They had a nice little sale, body mist, lotions, creams, whatever, $6 and some change. I also finished my last order with Bath&Bodyworks as far as candles. I only purchased 5. I think I did good. I probably have 10. Why do I need another 5? It was just because they were so cheap. This is candle day. Girl, this is it. Body care day. We're going to see what I can find. I'm pretty much set. I probably won't even shop SAS. I don't know, girl. I can't promise you. I can't even say. But we got a haul from Bath and Body Works. This is a collective haul. I have a little bit of Fenty and a little bit of Brown Sugar Babes. Let's see what we got. So here is my box. I hope y'all can hear me. And this is only soaps and hand sanitizers. They had hand sanitizers marked down to $1, and these soaps were like $2 and something. I got a ton of hand sanitizers, so we'll kind of quickly go through these. So I got pomegranate and blackberry hand soap. I just like blackberry. That's really pretty. Ooh, that's really nice. Okay, and then I grabbed Inner Angel. They had these on the site. I was totally shocked. I didn't know they were going to make hand soaps for the luxury line. So I grabbed Inner Angel. I grabbed Infinite Radiance. And these are probably going to be for me, y'all. They'll be in my bathroom. I doubt my husband care anything about anything about these. And I grabbed Covered in Roses. Okay, and let's see here. I don't buy a whole lot. I probably have like 3 or 4 soaps, and I use them all the time. And I only purchase them when they're on sale. But I grabbed Raspberry Holiday Pie Bar, Grape Spritz. I'm interested in this one because I don't know if have y'all ever smelled this one, Grape Spritz. It does not smell what I thought it would smell like. I don't even smell grape. It's not bad. It just doesn't smell what I thought. It says bubbly white grape juice, peach nectar, and orange zest. It's more like a peachy orange type of scent to me. And I grabbed snowy peach berry. I do love that scent. And y'all, these hand sanitizers, I really didn't need any more, but for this price, I mean, as much as we use them and we like to keep them in our cars, in our bags, just everywhere. So I grab a winter candy apple, champagne toast. I'm quickly going through these. We grabbed fresh sparkling snow. Now, I do like getting an idea of a scent if I don't have it. I've never had that scent, so I wanted to try it in that's a good idea. You can do the try set to see if that's what you want. And it's only $1. Try it in a hand sanitizer. 1,000 Wishes. We grabbed that one. Let's see here. We grabbed Twisted Peppermint. We grabbed Cereal Bar. I don't know. I think I missed that one in the last haul. Peach Bellini. Okay, Cookie Butter Truffle. I'm interested in some of these. Ooh, that smells good. Okay, so we also grabbed Snowy Peach Berry, Sea and Sandstone. I grabbed some of these for my husband. Cozy Vanilla Almond, Milk Bar Cake, Into the Night, Adrenaline, Touch of Gold, and Champagne Apple and Honey. So I went through there very quickly. I didn't even smell these, you guys. I'm just wanting to show you guys my haul. I'm actually on my lunch break. Like every time I look up, somebody's dropping off something. It's kind of embarrassing. I'm like, what was I doing? Did I just get out of control? I'm actually feeling a little bit like you did too much, Ari. You did too much, girl. You got a little overconsumption going on. I had to reorganize some of my stuff in my film room as far as my shelves with Victoria's Secret. Girl, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. I'm so excited to have my Brown Sugar Babe little collection come through, y'all. I've already sniffed these. Of course, they're great. I can't wait to wear them. The first one that I got is Princess Robin, and this is reminiscent or due to Killian's Love Don't Be Shy. It has a lot of pretty notes in here. Let's see here. What's next? I'm just going to go through them really quickly. And we also did Marry Me. And this is, I got all small bottles. I got all small bottles because I like a variety of different things. I really got to get to know these a little bit better. But this Marry Me is a dupe to Wedding Silk Santal. And y'all, I got these on sale super cheap. I think they were 25% off and free shipping. I can't remember, but it was really, I really did good. Okay, and this is Kiss Me. And this is a dupe to Bulgari's Bakiami. And y'all, this smells so good. I have been wanting that fragrance. I just don't know if I'm ready to put that money down on that. And for me, that's a lot. I just don't spend that much money on fragrances. But I might, but I just haven't pushed myself to do it. And I like this oil. And once I got this oil, I'm like, that's kind of nice. And let's see here. Okay, so these are the ones I already have. This is Hush, and this is for 100 Silent Ways. Let's see here. I got Perfect Pair, and this is Navitus Amoris Intense. Navitus Amoris Intense. That's really pretty too. I don't have one I don't like. I got Sweet Honey Buckin. Sweet Honey Buckin. And this is a dupe to Cirque du Soleil. And y'all know I have that Delzura. This is going to be her match. I grabbed that one. Let's see here. And I already had Sugar Plum. I got the name on my stickers, y'all, so I can see what the notes are. I'm going to make me some little, only thing about these, the writing is so small. And I like to have the notes on what's in here, what the perfume is. It's duping. So I can know how I want to layer it. So I'm going to be making me some little notes and stuff to just kind of keep up with it because it's too much for me. And this last one is Bad and Bougie, which I already had, and I think that's that's like a original scent from them. But the packaging, y'all, it was just so pretty. The packaging, everything is brown. It's really pretty. I'm gonna show it to you. It's the packaging. It was just beautiful. I was so excited to open this up. I'm in love. I can't wait. Also grabbed some Fenty, and I have been wanting this guava. Y'all know I love guava. I've been wanting this guava body butter. I think I wanted this more than I actually wanted the Fenty body butter, the one that goes to the perfume. I don't know why, but I actually grabbed this and I tried it with the Fenty perfume, and that is good. I wanted these two. And I'm like, I'm on a budget. I can't have everything. And I think the Fenty one, even on sale, it still was like $60, regular $85. And I got these two for under that. So I was trying to budget, y'all. I don't know why, but I was. Now I kind of wish I had went ahead and got the body butter. But I like these. This smells really good with the perfume. So, and I love guava. And I want this for the summer. And I think I got it for like $30. So, and it's a big one too. I love this. This pretty much is Black Friday. I'm still on Black Friday. But I grabbed some warm fuzzy socks for around the house. Let's see here. I don't even remember what's in here. Okay. Yeah, they had this cute Kate and Chloe. Have y'all ever heard of them? This was at Walmart. This cute little set. There's the earrings. And it's really good quality. I don't know if it's CZ or what. And here's the necklace that went with it. Each one of these was like 20 bucks. And I thought that was a good deal. 20 bucks. But girl, look at this bracelet. Now this bracelet was more, and I don't remember how much it was. The bracelet was more, but I wanted it. And yep, I like this. I really like this bracelet. So all of this kind of came together. There's the necklace and the earrings. So it's really, really pretty. And it was super duper cheap. I love grabbing stuff like this for Black Friday. I also grabbed, this was like 20 bucks. And I love a good like satchel that you can just grab. It's just like a little backpack. Just when we go traveling, or I just like something like this that's easy to carry. I can just put on my shoulders. And I thought this was cute. It's like a little winter color. Super cute. And y'all know it wasn't Coach. This was the Dooney and Bird. Girl, why I say Coach? I was looking at Coach. I didn't even open this yet. I was saving it to open with you guys, but they had Dooney and Burt was like so cheap, and I'm on Rakuten and get a, you know, you get money back, but this was so nice, and I think I got this for like $110. Look how big it is though. I think it's the 28-inch, and that's the strap. It's a crossbody, but I needed a nice size crossbody because they'll go. This goes with my little jacket because my crossbodies are so small. I can't ever fit everything that I need to fit in there. My phone, my keys, my wallet, and they were just too little. I love a good crossbody, but I just wanted something a little bit bigger. Like I said, I think, what's the regular price on this one? I don't even know, but like I said, I think I got it for either 98 or 100 something dollars. Really, really, really cheap. And it's a nice quality bag. So that's pretty much it that I'm going to talk about today. I've done enough. Okay, I have done enough. I'm about to sit down, girl. Okay, I will be checking out next week. Y'all heard that ARRIE All Day is supposed to be a new scent coming out. It's just a lot of stuff that's gonna be coming out, so I will be checking out some of the new scents. I don't know if I'm gonna get them or not, but I will be checking them out. Only things that I don't have that I might consider getting. But what about y'all? Have y'all been shopping? Did you shop Candle Day? I need y'all to let me know. Did you shop Candle Day? Did you shop Victoria's Secret? Have you been shopping for Black Friday? Girl, have y'all done as much damage as I have? I know a couple of you have. I already know. But girl, we can ready to stop over here. The train has stopped. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know, are you still shopping? I'll see you in the next one. Take care.